Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to share files on from Google Drive. So how you can upload the files on Google Drive and how you can share it. I will show in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my desktop, but if you're using Android phone or iPhone, you can follow the same step. Okay. So here, first open the Google Drive, or you can log in with your Gmail ID, and then this drive will be open. Now here you can see I have folder, and in folder I have some files. Okay, and in home also I have individual files. Also you can see there is a docs file, excel file, video file. Okay, so how you can share it? Okay, just select the file. Okay, and there you can see two options that you can share. Okay, first I will show you how you can upload the file. Okay, if you want to upload file, if I want to upload file in this folder, so I just have to open it and just go to the new and go to the upload file upload, and just go to the folder where you have files and just select the files and upload it, so it will be upload. Okay, so you can also upload folder. Also you can create new folder from here. You can upload folder from your device. You can create the excel sheet, doc sheet, Google slide forms from here. Okay, so now you can see this file has been uploaded. Now if you want to share it, just have to select on it, just go to and select it, and here you can see the two options. First you can share via link, or you can share via on email. So in link, first we try to share on email. Click on this icon, then here you have to insert the email ID. You can insert the many email ID as you want. Okay, you can insert up to 50. Now here you can select the permission. So I suggest you make it viewer only, because if you make it editor or commenter, so this person can edit your file or they can delete your file. So I think make a viewers only, and type the message. If you have any message, and just click on send, so message will be sent and this file will be sent with them. This file will be shared with those people. So just click send. I don't want to send this, that's why I did not click on it. You can just click on send, then the file will be sent. Now here another option that you can use to share by link. Click on link, and this option will be open. Now you have to change with anyone with this link, because in restricted there is maybe problem. In restricted mode you have to add people from here. Just add the people, then you can share the link, and only those people can able to view this link. So make it anyone on this link, change only viewers as I told you. Copy the link, and you can share it on WhatsApp, Messenger, on email. Okay, copy and paste on email or WhatsApp. So that is how you can share the file. And the same way you can share folder also. Just select the folder and you can share. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.